Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right database for your app: PostgreSQL for robustness, MySQL for compatibility, or SQLite for small prototypes. Once chosen, install the server or provision the cloud instance and store credentials securely. Use environment variables rather than hard coding. Create your schema and at least one table with sensible types, then insert a test record to verify connectivity. Make sure to open the correct port or enable host access. After that, you're ready to connect from your backend. You now integrate the database with your backend. Install the appropriate driver or ORM for your framework, then configure a connection pool to manage concurrency and reduce latency. Once connected, model your tables in code or write parameterized SQL to avoid injection. Use prepared statements or ORM query builders. Test CRUD flows. Create, read, update, delete, and confirm response shapes. If performance matters, add indexes where queries are slow and log slow queries for inspection. You finish by automating schema migrations as part of your deployment pipeline and tagging releases so you can roll back safely if needed. Configure regular backups, enable monitoring and alerts, and consider read replicas or caching for heavy read traffic. Once deployed, validate endpoints against production data. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Verify connection strings and environment variables, confirm firewall and network rules, replay migrations locally, and inspect slow query logs to find bottlenecks. You'll often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.